guys, it's your girl Damo, and I'm back to bring you guys another video. So as you guys already saw, I actually won a raffle, which is my first time winning a raffle for Foot Locker, so I'm super excited. So as you guys saw in the thumbnail, this is for the Cheerios Crocs. Now I know Crocs isn't everyone's cup of tea, so if this is not, you know, something that you like, keep your opinions, because I buy what I like. So I like these Crocs, so I went for them. So anyway, let's get into the box. So I love the box for these Crocs. I think it's super cute, like General Mills Honey Nut Cheerios. This box is fire. Like, I'm not sure if the other boxes came like this, but this is what the Cheerios box looks like. Then when you open the box, it just has the Croc paper that usually the Crocs come with. And trying to get the paper out, and it was a struggle. But these are what the Crocs actually look like in the box. I'm gonna take them out. These are what they look like. I think they're super cute. Like, I just love the way they look, and I love the little Cheerio like gibbets, which is super cool, which is, you know, one of the reasons why I actually picked these up. So the retail price on these, they don't have it on here, but if I remember correctly, the retail price on these were $50, I believe, because these are grade school. I got them in a size 6 grade school, so they were $50. I believe the men's pair is either $60 or $70, somewhere along those lines. But again, these are grade school size 6, and I just love them. I love Cheerios. Like, I'm a basic cereal kind of girl. Like, the only sweet cereal that I like is actually Captain Crunch. Crocs will make a Captain Crunch berry one with the berry gibbets. That would be super fire with the Captain on them. Fire. But I just love the orange, but I'm not sure if you would actually call this tie-dye, because it's not really tie-dye, like a tie-dye pattern. But I just like the colors. They're super dope. That's what the bottom looks like. The color is spot on for Cheerios. And I just love the little honeybee right here. He's so cute. Then you got the Cheerios. And then you got the Honey Nut Cheerios right here with another honeybee. These are so cute. Like, I don't even know, like, why would you be mad at these? These are super cute. If it's childish in your opinion, it is what it is. These aren't for everyone, so. But the only thing that I don't like about these are, I honestly thought the gibbets would be removable, which is one of the main reasons that I got it, because I thought you can like remove these and put them on another pair of your Crocs. But when I like stuck my hand in it, these are like glued onto the Crocs, so these are not removable at all, which is kind of a bummer. I'm super excited to wear them. They're gonna look so cute. So cute. Just in time for the summer. You know, I love bright colors, so these are right up my alley. So make sure you guys stick around, because I am going to try these babies on and right now. just wanted to show you guys that I did get these in a size 6 and I do have a little bit of room. So if you want to wear your Crocs with no socks, I would suggest sizing down. Like Crocs don't come in half sizes, so get the whole size down from your size. But if you plan on wearing socks with these also, then go up a size, if you know what I mean. So just something to think about when you're ordering a pair of Crocs. So thank you guys for joining me in my Honey Nut Cheerios Croc unboxing, and as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. So